are expected to be honest and hardworking. But if that's all there was to it, a trained robot could do the job much better. What a civil servant must have is respect for ethical values, difference between right and wrong, compassion, fair-mindedness, giving credit where it's due, defending and standing by one's juniors when they make bona fide mistakes, not be yes men and given to unreasonable demands from one's bosses for the sake of a prime posting or a sinecure after retirement. These are attributes which a civil servant should try and cultivate. These are all covered in this book, and young officers who are just starting their service will find this book of immense value.
Anil has come out with another wonderful book which he has named Ethical Dilemmas That Face a Civil Servant. He has highlighted the problems which a civil servant is likely to face in his career and which will test him in various ways. But he has advised that you must stick to an ethical approach to life and in administration because that is the only way of winning the confidence of the people. And if you have win the confidence of the people whom you are serving, half the task is done. This book is going to be useful for all those who are aspiring to get into the civil service, as it will make them familiar with the problems they will face. And it is also very useful to those who are already serving because it will show them how such problems which Anil faced could be met and how he could succeed in his life as a career civil servant. What is essential is that you must stick to a principle approach. You must keep this principle in mind that what matters is the welfare of the people you serve. And by showing this, Anil has in a way highlighted what should be the role of an ideal civil servant. Thank you.
A productive and purposeful career in public service has to be based on a good value system and on an uncompromising acceptance of ethical principles. Any person aspiring to serve the public through the civil services must read Anil Swarup's book because it addresses conflicts and dilemmas and strengthens your ability and your resolve to address those as you go along.
Anil Swarup is to be congratulated and commended for this book. It's his second book on the civil servants, the backbone of our administration and governance of India. And in this book, he has covered a wide range of issues which civil servants face in terms of values, in terms of ethics, in terms of integrity, in terms of honesty. Indeed, those are the challenges which all of us face. But being from the civil service, he has first-hand experience of what civil servants go through, and it's a great contribution at this time especially. This book is not only relevant for civil servants, it's relevant for everybody, and particularly for young people